Welcome back, home enthusiasts. We're in the home and we're here to help you decide which white noise sound machine to buy today. As always, don't worry about taking any notes. All the links for the products we mention are in the description down below. White noise machines are known for their ability to mask unwanted noise and promote well-rested sleep. This is especially helpful for people who reside in loud neighborhoods or those living in nearby busy streets. There are a number of white noise machines in the market, from a basic one to a machine capable of playing a wide range of sounds. There are also models that offer different, unique designs and features. To help you get that good night's sleep you've always longed for, we've prepared a list for you of the top 5 white noise machines available today. The team has prepared this list for you through comprehensive research. The white noise sound machines that have been selected have been chosen based on product features, reviews in the marketplace, quality of finish and price, and where possible we have been mindful of the different types of buyers. We do suggest you stick around until the end to see who wins the number 1 position on our list. Before we begin, be sure to like the video and subscribe to stay with us in the home, especially if you're interested in more informational, list-related content just like this one. Remember, you can find the options to our list in the description down below, as well as timestamps to help you navigate through the video. The white noise sound machine coming in at number 5 on our list is the Serene Evolution Sound White Noise Machine. This machine features 60 different sounds of your preference to help mask unwanted noise. Not only can it be used during sleep, but it can also be used to mask conversations for office privacy or as a background sound while meditating. It features a wireless remote control that allowed our team to fully operate the machine up to 50 feet away. This makes it perfect if you prefer to keep the sound machine at a distance when going to bed. Our team likes to highlight its shut timer that automatically closes the machine after 30, 60 or 120 minutes. The white noise machine is powered by a high-fidelity speaker that offers 25 different volume settings. It has the ability to recall the last sound and volume setting and continues playing where it left off. The sound machine is great for adults and kids alike. In addition, it also helps babies sleep through the night, allowing the parents to have a good night's sleep as well. Its dimensions are 4.25 by 4.25 by 4.5 inches, making it relatively small and conveniently easy to place wherever you prefer. Lastly, the machine is powered by an AC adapter that is easily accessible anywhere in the market. Our team at In the Home finds the Serene Evolution Sound White Noise Machine to provide the ideal environment for undisturbed sleep. We also like to make mention of its numerous sound options such as nature sounds, urban environment sounds, and even common sounds made inside the house. Overall, it performed as our team expected it to, earning a spot on our top 5 list. The white noise sound machine coming in at number 4 on our list is the Hatch Restore Sound Machine. This unique white noise machine features programmable sound and light settings. It also serves as a smart lamp and an alarm clock all in one. Our team at In the Home uses Hatch's mobile app to program a multi-step sleep routine. The steps can include soundscapes, meditations, sleep stories, and a wide variety of light adjustments which are designed to guide users to sleep. Aside from its sleep routine, it features a programmable sunrise alarm that wakes the users up with the sun mimicking light. The machine comes with a library of soundscapes that includes white noise and natural sounds. While these sounds can be played continuously like a traditional noise machine, they can also be used as part of the programmable sleep routines as mentioned earlier. In addition, while there are soundscapes that are bundled with the machine's complete library requires a subscription after the 6-month free trial finishes. The Hatch Restore Sound Machine comes with a 1-year warranty at the time of making this video. They also offer a 60-day refund provided that you can return the item in its original packaging. Our team considers this as good after-sales service. Its dimensions are 3.54 by 7.1 by 8.82 inches, making it small enough to conveniently place on your bedside drawer. Overall, our team at In the Home found the Hatch Restore's programmable sleep routine to be practical and effective. We highly recommend this to adult sleepers who want to take time to calm down and condition their brain and body first before getting that good night's rest. Our team likes to highlight its unique features that are its main selling point, giving it a well-deserved spot on our list. The white noise sound machine coming in at number 3 on our list is the Dreamegg Portable White Noise Machine. The Dreamegg is a noise blocker, night light and sleep soother all in one. This machine comes with a variety of features with soothing sounds, customized light brightness, timer, volume levels, and a child lock for safety. Our team was able to choose from 11 soothing sounds, including white noise, ocean sounds, brook sounds, lullabies, music box, soothing, vacuum cleaners, fetal tone, fair sounds, crickets, and fan sounds. In addition, it also has 32 volume levels to choose from. The Dreamegg features a night light with adjustable light intensity. This is perfect when doing midnight feeding, while the warm hue keeps your baby in a sleepy mood. Our team also had the option to keep the light on or off while it was operating. This device is specifically made for babies to create a peaceful sleeping environment. Not only can it be used for children, but it can be an effective white noise machine for adults too. Our team likes to highlight its small size at only 3.4 inches in diameter, while it weighs only 5.7 ounces. These qualities make it extremely portable, perfect when bringing your baby along with you on travels. The machine also features a convenient baby-safe clip that our team was able to attach to almost anything. The device also comes with a 1-year warranty at the time of making this video. This is a good after-sales service on their part. Our team at In the Home highly recommends the Dreamegg portable white noise machine to any parent with babies. This helps the baby sleep while also giving the mum or dad some time to do the household chores. Our team also found it easy to slip or attach to any bag because of its tiny profile. This unique device truly deserves the number 3 spot on our list. The white noise sound machine coming in at number 2 on our list is the SNOOZ white noise sound machine. This white noise sound machine comes in a portable design that makes it perfect for travel. This machine features an interior fan that produces sleep-conducive white noise without generating any cold air. Our team was able to adjust its tone using its outer twist dial, giving us the option to choose anywhere between a subtle hum to a deep sonorous buzz. The device also has 10 different volume settings, making it great for people whose noise blocking preference may vary. The said volume ranges from 46 to 87 decibels. The sound machine is also compatible with iOS and Android applications. This feature allowed our team to fully control the noise machine from a distance. The machine also features an automatic schedule function and nightlight mode, which our team was also able to control using the mobile app. It also offers a nursery function that assists parents in determining whether its noise level is safe for babies. While it does not have an operating fan inside, it uses a lot less energy than a regular fan, making this device very energy efficient. At the time of making this video, the machine also comes with a 1-year limited warranty and a 100-night sleep trial, giving the user ultimate peace of mind just in case they experience any defects. Our team at In the Home finds the SNOOZ white noise sound machine great for travel because of its relatively small size. Our team also likes to highlight its elegant design that will match any home decor as well as its functionality. Our team highly recommends this for light sleepers, earning a well-deserved spot at number 2. And finally, we come to the number 1 white noise sound machine on our list, the Yoga Sleep Dohm Classic. This white noise machine is extremely user-friendly while sporting a minimalist design that blends with any home decor. The noise in this device is fan-generated, while our team found its manual adjustments easy to use despite only having a single switch. With only the use of the said switch, our team was able to adjust its speed from low to high. Once the speed was set, our team was able to adjust the pitch and the tone of the fan by rotating its cap and collar. There are individuals who prefer fan-generated white noise over pre-recorded tracks since there is no looping involved. In addition, fans have a more natural, unique and appealing rhythm. The machine is powered by an 8-foot by 120 volt AC cord, long enough to find its way to a nearby power outlet. While sleep trials are unusual for white noise machines, Yoga Sleep allows customers to return their device within 101 days if they aren't satisfied. In addition, the device comes with a 1-year limited warranty at the time of making this video, covering manufacturing or workmanship flaws at the time of making this video. Our team considers this a great after-sales service. Overall, our team In the Home recommends the Yoga Sleep Dohm Classic to both adults and children. It would work great for sound-sensitive pets and provide office privacy if you want to mask your voice while speaking on the phone. It is the most simple and most affordable on the list by far, but it also delivers remarkable performance. The white noise machine offers great value for money, earning it the number 1 spot on our top 5 list. And there you have it, folks, the 5 white noise sound machines which got our team in the home excited this year. If you have any contenders for our next white noise sound machine roundup, which you would like our team to test, do drop it in the comment section below and we will be sure to look it over for our next update. If you like this video and it helps you in any way, please do give it a like and hit the subscribe button so that you can stay connected and updated with all of our research into everything that makes our homes great. We look forward to seeing you in the home again soon.